and welcome to today's video. I'm actually filming this on Thursday because tomorrow is Black Friday and I want to be able to get this video up as early as possible on Friday because I want to be able to tell you guys about all the best deals available this weekend. Firstly, I want to thank you all for the support on my recent gift guides. If you guys haven't watched those, I'll link them down below, and if you're new here then don't forget to subscribe as well. I'm obviously going to try and give you information which is as accurate as possible, but there are a few things which will inevitably be not as accurate as I'd hoped. And I'm also going to link down below the video I uploaded on Monday because, to be honest, a lot of the deals this weekend have been running since the beginning of the week or even since the beginning of the month, because especially this year more than ever brands are really just trying to get people to shop with them, and they've been introducing the discounts quite early on. I am going to be looking at my phone because I have notes on my phone and I don't want to be able to forget anything. So on Monday I mentioned a few brands which were doing like warm-ups for their Black Friday. So it's finally Black Friday, so it's time to head over to those brands. So places like ASOS, finally they're doing proper discounts, and also Topshop. Topshop actually has some good offers on at the moment. I'm going to link those all down below, so do check that out. And any other ones that I think are really standing out, I'm going to link them all down below because I feel like there's no point me reading at you. If you're looking for gift sets this Christmas, now is the time to buy them. You can get both of these for just £20 from places like Boots and Amazon. Loads of different places have got some excellent half price and even better than half price gift sets. Again, linking that all down below. Some other beauty brands which are now running discounts are Bobbi Brown. They're doing 25% off everything, which is such a good deal. That makes this brush set, which is initially £75, just £56.25. And honestly, it's very, very rare to see beauty brands go up that high with their discounts, so that's very exciting. Now is the time definitely to stock up and also to buy your Christmas gift. L'Occitane is one of my favourite brands and they are doing 20% off, and that's all over the site. So it's a great time to top up on hand soap, hand creams, little gift sets, slightly bigger gift sets. Just a great time to buy from L'Occitane. Now this is something I had in my Christmas gift guide, and this is the cordless hair straightener from Babyliss. It's the 9000 cordless straightener, which is such a little cutie. It looks like this. It's a really beautiful straightener, and this is initially £200, but they've got 30% off, which means you get a whole £60 off this, which is amazing, and makes this £140, which is actually quite a good price I think for a hair straightener, and even better price for a cordless hair straightener. Glossier has a lot of little sets which are great value for money at the moment. So for example, this is their Perfect Canvas set, and inside you get a figbalm.com, a Super Bounce Hyaluronic Acid and Vitamin B5 Serum, a priming moisturiser, and a perfecting skin tint for just £45, despite this being worth £72. And you can also get one Sky Wash and one Lid Star for £21, and that is usually worth £30. That's like 30% off. That's pretty good. If you're looking for gifts, a brand that I really like, and it's a bit of a smaller brand, so a great brand for you to support, is 100 Stars. They never do discounts. I've actually got this like little, what do I call it? Kimono-y, cardigan-y thing, which I'm just going to link me wearing it here. And that is from there, and that's 20% off. They do really beautiful, relatively affordable gifts, and they're doing 20% off at the moment, which is, like I said, unheard of for them. To be honest, a lot of the other offers I have already mentioned in my previous video, so I'm just going to link down below. So definitely this video, I'd recommend you go down the description, and that's where you'll find the best deals available. But as always, I recommend you don't get too sucked in to the Black Friday hype. Amazon has some great deals, but again, only if you need them. They're not great unless you need the item, but they do have some great tech stuff if you're looking for like an Amazon Alexa. If you want some books, they have some books on offer, but books are never like really wildly discounted. However, I have spotted that my favourite book, which is John Boyne's The Heart's Invisible Furies, that's on Kindle for 99p, and there's some great offers for 99p on Kindle at the moment. I'm going to link everything down below, so definitely check out the description. I'll probably be highlighting a few things over on my Instagram as well, so I'll link that down below. Shop responsibly, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye.